Welcome back. In this video, I will explain the concept of Flajolet-Martin algorithm with the help of simple solved example. This is a solved example too, and the link for first example is given in the description below. To understand the Flajolet-Martin algorithm, we will consider one example. In this, we are having one stream containing the following elements. Those are 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Here we will consider the hash function as h of x is equal to 6x plus 1 mod of phi. And here we will show how Flajolet-Martin algorithm will estimate the number of distinct elements in this stream. These are the following steps how we can calculate the distinct element by using the Flajolet-Martin algorithm. All these steps are explained in the previous video and link for that video is given in the description below. In the Flajolet-Martin algorithm, we need to compute the trailing zeros. So to compute the trailing zeros, first I will consider the first element, that is 1. For this one, we know the h of x, that is 6x plus 1 mod of phi. So in place of x, we need to replace 1. So 6 into 1, 6 plus 1 which is equal to 7. 7 mod of phi which is equal to 2. And this 2's binary representation is 1, 0. Here we are having the 1 trailing 0, so that the number of trailing zeros for the first element, that is for 1, is 1. Next, I will consider the next element, that is 3. 3 into 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 which is equal to 19. 19 mod of phi is equal to 4. And this 4 binary representation is 1, 0, 0. And here we are getting the 2 trailing zeros. Similarly, we need to find the trailing zeros for all the elements. And here we can see that for the element 4, so 6 into 4 is 24 plus 1 which is equal to 25 mod of phi. And for this one we are getting the answer as 0, and the binary representation of this 0 is 0 only. And for this one we are considering a trailing zeros as infinity, so that we will ignore this one. Once you find the trailing zeros for all the elements, next we need to check which trailing element is a maximum. Here we can see that 2 is a maximum number here. So we will consider R max is equal to 2. So once you consider R max is equal to 2, by using this following formula, we can find the distinct element in that particular stream, that is 2 raised to R max. So R max is 2, so 2 raised to 2 is 4. It means that in that particular stream, we are having the 4 distinct element, and this is a given stream, yes. And after finding the distinct number, we are getting the stream as 1, 2, 3, 4. It means that these 4 numbers are distinct element in that particular stream. So we will conclude that Flajolet-Martin algorithm estimated correctly the number of distinct element as 4. This is how we can find the distinct element by using the Flajolet-Martin algorithm. I hope the concept of Flajolet-Martin algorithm is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.